In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timesheet on Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a team or simply trying to keep track of your own time, a timesheet is a crucial tool. So let's dive right in and show you how simple it is to set up. First things first, head over to Monday.com. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in the website address. Once you're there, glance up at the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the login page, you'll have a couple of options to access your account. You can either sign in with Google, which is often the quickest method if you're already logged in on your browser, or you can manually type in the email address you plan to use. If you've opted for the Google sign-in, scroll through and select the email associated with your Monday.com account. After logging in, you'll need to go to the specific board where you'd like to add a timesheet. Navigate through your dashboard and select the project board in question. Once you're on the board, look to the very end of the list of columns. You'll see a plus sign button there. Click it to add a new column. You'll now see a search bar. Click on this and type in time tracking. As you type, options will appear. Make sure to select time tracking from the list. This will add a new column dedicated to time tracking. You'll notice the column appears with a small play button, but don't worry, we'll get to that. Now, on this new column, click on any cell to manually add a timer for specific tasks. A window will pop up where you should choose Add Session manually. Here's where you can select both the timer and the date for the session you're tracking. Setting specific times will ensure that everything is recorded accurately. Once you've configured the details, click on Add Session. This action updates the timesheet with your specified timer. If what you're interested in, instead of setting times, is just checking the duration of a task as it happens, you can easily do so by clicking the blue play button. This converts your view to a live timer, allowing you to keep an eye on ongoing activities. And voila, you now have your very own timesheet added right to your board. This tool will be invaluable as you aim to monitor productivity and manage project timelines efficiently. So there you have it. You've just set up a timesheet on Monday.com in no time at all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tool as useful as I do in managing your work.